Today, I'm showing you exactly how to add an H1 tag to your WordPress homepage using the Gutenberg block editor, the step-by-step guide for 2025. If you've ever struggled with SEO or aren't sure if visitors or search engines are seeing your main heading, this tutorial will help you get it set up perfectly. By the end, you'll know how to add a clear H1 heading that boosts your site's professionalism and SEO appeal. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why adding an H1 tag matters so much. Your H1 is the most important headline on your page. It tells both users and Google what your homepage is all about. Think of it like the title on the cover of a book. It should be unique, clear, and easy to find. Now, assuming your homepage is a standard WordPress page, here's how you add that crucial heading using the block editor, which is what most sites use these days. Start by heading to your WordPress dashboard. Don't worry if it looks crowded, we're only focusing on a couple of clicks here. Over on the left side menu, go ahead and click on Pages, then select All Pages. This is how you access every page you've created on your site, including your homepage. Find your homepage in the list. It might say Home or whatever you've named it. Click on Edit. If you're not sure which page is your homepage, you can usually check by going to Settings Reading just to double check. Once you're editing your homepage, it's time to add your H1 tag. Look for a blue plus button, typically in the top left, although you can also hover between existing blocks to add a new one right where you want it. Click the plus icon, then start typing heading in the search bar that appears. The heading block is what allows you to add all types of headings to your page, from H1 down to H6. Now, click on the heading block. Type in your headline. This should be the main topic or title of your homepage. Aim for something welcoming yet descriptive, like Welcome to Smith's Bakery or Modern Web Solutions for Small Businesses. This is your chance to make a first impression, so don't be afraid to tweak the wording until it feels right. Here's a key detail. After entering your text, check the block toolbar just above your heading. By default, WordPress might select H2 for you. This is a common hiccup. But for your main headline, make sure to switch it to H1. Just click that drop-down menu and choose H1. This tells browsers and search engines this is the top headline on the page. If your homepage already has a heading, double-check its level and change it if needed. You only want one H1 headline per page, so keep it clean and clear. When you're satisfied with your headline, take a moment to scroll through and review your page. If everything looks good, hit Update or Publish in the top right corner. That's the step that actually saves your changes. Sometimes it can take a few seconds for WordPress to finish updating. Don't worry if it spins for a moment. And that's it. With these quick steps, your homepage now has a strong, clear H1 tag that's ready for both visitors and Google. If you have any doubts or want to double-check, use your browser's Inspect tool or an online SEO checker to confirm the heading shows up as H1. I hope this tutorial helped you make your homepage more professional and search engine friendly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button. It helps others find this guide. Got a question about tricky headings or WordPress? Drop it in the comments below. I answer as many as I can. And if you want more practical, easy-to-follow WordPress tips, subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.